Hello! Today is day 8 of the 30-day video challenge. Today's challenge is weird. It's go to your refrigerator and pick out 5 things that you don't like. So here we go, I guess. Here's my fridge. Open it up. Now, I live with 3 other dudes, so not a lot of stuff in here is mine. So I'm going to pick out stuff of theirs that I don't like. It's kind of empty in here. I eat out a lot. Oh, here we go. This is one of my roommates, Budweiser. I don't like beer, so there's that. There we go. Here's something from one of my other roommates. I don't like cheese at all. Not just American cheese. I don't like cheese. Not a fan of it. These are moldy grapes. Let's just put those back in there. Those are hot dogs. We take very good care of ourselves in this apartment. Let me just say. What have I done? 2 things? Oh God. What's on the side of the door over here? Sauce, mustard. I don't like mayonnaise that much, so there's that. What's that, 3 now? Oh, God, this is hard. I like a lot of food, guys. Most of this isn't even food, it's just condiments. Let's look in the freezer, see if there's anything in there I dislike. There's the freezer. That is vodka, that is rum. Yum. That's bacon. Lean cuisine. This isn't mine. I can't say that I don't like that. I don't know what it is. Burgers. Ice. I don't like to put ice in my drinks that often. Like, I don't need things to be like super cold when I drink them. So, I guess ice. That counts. That's 4. It's chicken. There's turkey burgers. There's some veggies in here. Meat. Mike's hard lemonade. That's mine. That is mine. God. Oh, what's up here? Some frozen berries. Some beef. Some more blueberries. Oh, Jesus. This is dumb. It's bacon. This is rice, I think. Some pasta in there. I already looked in here. Some more cheese that I don't like. What's this? This cheese too? This is apple pie. I love apple pie. I can't say that. Aha! Onions. I actually do like onions. But I think this is an onion. Oh God. Oh dear. That doesn't look good at all. Let's just close that up. I like onions sometimes on some things. I don't like them like on burgers necessarily, unless they're like grilled. I only like them cooked a couple different ways, and I don't know what those ways are at the moment. So yeah, this has been day 8. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye. I'm gonna turn off this video.